Student, now we discuss about our chapter 6, that is tissue of class 9th. Last video we discuss about the tissue, what is tissue and types of tissue, that is the animal tissue and plant tissue. Now we discuss about in this video, or we will continue about the types of tissues, that is the animal tissue. Now in last video we discussed about the epithelial tissue. What is epithelial tissue? It is the layering or covering of the body surface. It made up of two words, that is the epi means above and thelial, that means covering or layering. Now we discuss about in this video types of epithelial tissue. It can be divided into two types. First is the simple epithelial and second one is the compound epithelial. Simple epithelial is what? It is made up of single layer of cells and it is attached with the basement membrane. Basement membrane is found between the simple epithelial cells or epithelial tissue and connective tissue. Connective tissue and epithelial tissue bind with each other with the basement membrane. On the basis of cell shape and structure, simple epithelial tissues divided into four types. First one is the squamous epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue and cuboidal epithelial tissue and ciliated epithelial tissue. Now we discuss about the squamous epithelial tissue, or it may be said as simple squamous epithelial tissue. What is that? It has flat, thin or scale cell-like cells with well-developed nucleus. You see here in this picture or diagram. This one is the basement membrane and these are the cells which are the flat-ended like structures. It occurs in the alveoli of lungs, Bowman capsule of the kidney and blood and lymph vesicles. Function is what? Its function is to protect the body from any injury, germs and chemical stresses. Now we discuss about the columnar epithelium. In this, mucous membrane is present and above the mucous membrane of stomach and large intestine and small intestine, this type of epithelial tissues are found. They have the elongated nucleus, that means elongated means long. So they have long nucleus. In this picture or diagram you can see here, these are the elongated all. These are also elongated cells. Okay, this ones. And this is the basement membrane and this is the thin mucous membrane. Now we discuss about the cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium, as you know its name, these have the cube-like cells and their nucleus are round. Cube-like cells means this one. These are the cube-like structures. They make the lining of many organs like salivary glands, pancreatic ducts and eyes of iris or eye cells also. It provides the mechanical strength and also main function is absorption and secretion of substances. Now we discuss about our last epithelial, simple epithelial tissue, that is the ciliated epithelial tissue. As you know about its name, that in this type of cells cilia are present. So these are called the ciliated epithelial tissues. In it columnar or cuboidal type of cells are present and they have the free cilia on their surfaces. So due to this cilia, they help in the absorption processes, that is they found in the small intestine and large intestine. It lies upon the respiratory and urinary tract and also in the some parts of digestive system. They help in the moving of the particles or passage of the particles. Now we discuss about the, you see here the structure of the ciliated epithelium. These are the cilia which found on the free surfaces and this is the basement membrane and these are the nucleus. In the ciliated epithelium, nucleus present on the base, not in the center. Now we discuss about the compound epithelium. Compound epithelium cell has the more than one cells. So it is called the compound epithelial. It provides the protections against it provides protection tissues from any mechanical stress or any damage. It may be of two types on the basis of their structure. They may be of two types. First is the stratified epithelium and second one is the transitional epithelium. Stratified epithelium is also of four types. On the in your books it may be included in the simple epithelium. They may be, first one is the squamous epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium. Second one is the columnar stratified epithelium, and third one is the stratified cuboidal epithelium on the basis of cell shapes. The basic structure is that they have the major cuboidal cells, and transitional cells or transitional epithelium, they have 4 to 6 thick layers of cells, and they are the more elastic than the stratified epithelium. They are found in the urinary bladder, renal pelvics and the urinary tract. Squamous epithelium is also known as the pavement membrane. So today we discuss about the whole epithelial tissues types. Read it and learn it. Thank you so much.